Hello, welcome to IMA. Do you all know DigiLocker? What DigiLocker is used? Let me explain. For example, it had old files like the 10th certificate, 12th certificate, birth certificate, etc. If someone is worried about a lost, stolen, or missing certificate, they can file a complaint, FIR, at the police station. Afterward, they may try to obtain a duplicate certificate from the government office. However, locating old files can be challenging and time-consuming, especially if the records have not been accessed for a long time. What can you do? The central government has planned changes to DigiLocker, allowing you to access old certificates directly in DigiLocker. This means no more worries about lost documents. There are many old files from years ago, and the central government aims to transition to a paperless system, making it easier to access them digitally. Do you want to know all the details about DigiLocker? Let me explain. Certificates in the life of a citizen. Look at the picture how everything works, from birth to death. Let me explain. Number 1. Born, health card, birth certificate. Number 2. Teenage, education certificate, caste certificate and Aadhaar card. Number 3. 18 age, job card, vehicle registration certificate, driving license, university certificate and voter ID card. Number 4. Above 25 years, utility bill, ration card, PAN card and marriage certificate. Number 5. Above 50 years, insurance certificate, land registration card, health certificate and pension certificate. Number 6. Old age record of will. Number 7. Death certificate. All certificate files will be included in DigiLocker and made ready for use. Digital Locker, value proposition for citizens. Number 1. Secure and private access by user consent, no unverified usage of records, secure platform. Number 2. Anytime, anywhere usage. Shareable and accessible. On the move using desktop or mobile. Number 3. Paperless and environment friendly. Digital service delivery without paper trail. Digital services save paper and help protect trees. Switching to paperless systems supports the environment. Digital Locker, value proposition for agencies. I will explain the points. Number 1. Eliminate counters. A citizen need not visit a counter to apply for service or avail a document. Number 2. Get access to verified citizen data via single trusted platform. Number 3. Reduced cost and time of service delivery. How to access DigiLocker? Number 1. Website browser. Number 2. Android app. Number 3. iOS app. Demo. Let me explain. DigiLocker sign-up process. Fill in your full name as per your Aadhaar. Date of birth. Choose either male or female. Enter your mobile number. Set a security PIN with a number of digits. Enter email ID. Enter Aadhaar number. Click Submit after sending. Digital Locker sign-in process. For previous sign-ups, use the same mobile number and set a security PIN when signing in. Click Sign In. Verify the OTP that you received via SMS on your mobile. Click Submit. The DigiLocker dashboard displays the homepage, where all your certificates are already available for easy access. Issued documents: look at the picture to see your Aadhaar, COVID certificate, ID card, PAN card, vehicle registration, and other certificates, all stored and ready in DigiLocker. Hope this helps you understand. Look at the search documents for your state, such as Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, etc. Choose and click on Kerala to access certificates like the 10th certificate, birth certificate, land certificate, and more, all ready for you. Hope this helps you understand. Getting documents in DigiLocker: you can access your CBSE certificate 10th mark sheet, and the name will automatically appear as per your Aadhaar. The roll number and year, example 2018, should match exactly. Click Get Document to retrieve the results. The certificate will remain private and will not be shown to others. Hope this helps you understand. All certificates, including the birth certificate, land certificate, Aadhaar, voter ID card, etc., are available and ready in DigiLocker. Hope this helps you understand. Hope this DigiLocker video is useful. Thank you.